Hello everyone, we all know that 1 plus 1 equal to 2, but in this video I prove 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, please find out my mistake and tell me in comment box. Okay, so here 1 plus 1 I can also write as 1 plus square root here 1 equal to here 0. So 1 plus square root 1 also I can write as minus 1 into here minus 1. If we multiply we get here same result. Okay, so 1 plus square root, we all know that iota square equal to minus 1. So here minus 1 equal to iota square, put here iota square into here iota square. Okay, now 1 plus this one also I can write as square root iota square into square root iota square. Okay, so 1 plus here iota square means iota into here square root and square cancel here iota, and square and square root cancel here iota. Okay, so 1 plus if we multiply iota into iota here is square, we all know that iota square equal to minus 1. 1 plus put minus 1. Okay, plus into minus 1 are cancel equal to 0 equal to here 0. I prove here 0 equal to 0. Please find out my mistake and tell me in comment box. Okay, thanks.